Biological Sciences. North American Wobbler Fold-Out Guide, Folding Pocket Guide, Wobbler Guide App. Princeton Review AP Biology Prep. 2023 is to 3 practice tests plus complete content review plus strategies and techniques. College test preparation. Botany of Empire, Plant Worlds and the Scientific Legacies of Colonialism, Feminist Technosciences. DNA, The Story of the Genetic Revolution. What is life? How chemistry becomes biology, Oxford Landmark Science. How your brain works, Neuroscience Experiments for Everyone. The End of Ice, Bearing Witness and Finding Meaning in the Path of Climate Disruption. The Origins of Order, Self-Organization and Selection in Evolution. Native Trees, Shrubs, and Vines, A Guide to Using, Growing, and Propagating North American Woody Plants. BioBuilder, Synthetic Biology in the Lab. Wildflowers of the San Francisco Bay Area. Molecular Population Genetics UPDF. The Tree, A Natural History of What Trees Are, How They Live, and Why They Matter. Biochemistry. Paxinos and Franklin's The Mouse Brain in Stereotaxic Coordinates. Compact. The Coronal Plates and Diagrams. Pantanal Wildlife, A Visitor's Guide to Brazil's Great Wetland, Brad Wildlife Guides. Guide to the Vascular Plants of Tennessee. The Goodness Paradox, The Strange Relationship Between Virtue and Violence in Human Evolution. El Gen Egoísta, Ciencia_Science, Spanish edition. The Joy of Sweat, The Strange Science of Perspiration. The 8 Master Lessons of Nature, What Nature Teaches Us About Living Well in the World. Evolution, Making Sense of Life. Radiography in the Digital Age, Physics Exposure Radiation Biology 3rd edition. Plants of Arizona. Evolutionary Dynamics, Exploring the Equations of Life. Vertebrate Life. The Little Book of Cacti and Other Succulents. Animal Physiology. Sierra Nevada Tree Identifier. Pressed Plants, Making a Herbarium. Deadliest Enemy, Our War Against Killer Germs. ICE Principles of Environmental Science. Fundamentals of Musculoskeletal Imaging, Contemporary Perspectives in Rehabilitation. Gulf Coast Seashore Life, A Folding Guide to Familiar Animals and Plants. Nature Observation North America. Knowing the Trees, Discover the Forest from Seed to Snag. The Emerald Planet, How Plants Changed Earth's History, Oxford Landmark Science. Wilderness Survival Handbook, Primitive Skills for Short-Term Survival and Long-Term Comfort. Wildflowers of the Appalachian Trail. The Diversity of Life, with a new preface, Questions of Science. Campbell Biology, Concepts and Connections, 8th edition. So Simple a Beginning, How 4 Physical Principles Shape Our Living World. Netter playing cards, Netter's Anatomy Art Card Deck, Single Pack, Netter Basic Science. An inconvenient truth, the planetary emergency of global warming and what we can do about it. On the Origin of Species, Macmillan Collector's Library. The Social Lives of Animals.